Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 30th of August. We present you with a weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the Euro/USD pair grew and tested the level of 1.18. The key bullish level is 1.1840, which coincides with Murray 2/8. Its breakout allows further growth to 1.19 and 1.1962. A breakdown of the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1.1760 allows a decline to 1.1657. Technical indicators reflect the resumption of a decline. Bollinger Bands are directed downwards, stochastic is preparing to leave the overbought zone and form a sell signal, however, the MACD histogram shrinks in the negative zone. This week, the decline may resume after the breakdown of the level of 1.1760, but further growth is not ruled out. Last week, the GBP/USD pair climbed to the area of 1.3780, where it is trading now. The breakout of 1.3793, which coincides with the Murray level 2/8 and the middle line of Bollinger Bands, allows growth to 1.3855 and 1.3916. Otherwise, the decline will resume to the levels of 1.3672 and 1.3610. Technical indicators reflect negative dynamics. Bollinger Bands are directed downwards, stochastic reverses downwards, however, the MACD histogram shrinks in the negative zone. This week, the continuation of the price decline looks more likely, but a breakout of 1.3793 doesn't exclude growth. Last week, the USD/JPY pair tested the level of 110.15, which coincides with the Murray level 2/8 and the upper border of the downwards channel, but failed to consolidate above it and rolled back to the middle line of Bollinger Bands around 109.80. Consolidation below it allows a decline to 109.37 and 108.98. The key bullish level is 110.15. Its breakout allows growth to 110.54 and 110.93. Technical indicators do not give a single signal. Bollinger Bands are directed horizontally, the MACD histogram is at the zero line, its volumes are insignificant, and stochastic reverses downwards. This week, the continuation of the price decline looks more likely, but the breakout of 110.15 doesn't exclude growth. Last week, AUD/USD grew to 0.7324 in the center of Murray's trading range. Its breakout allows further growth to 0.7446. Otherwise, the decline will resume to the levels of 0.7202 and 0.7080. Technical indicators reflect a resumption of decline. Bollinger Bands are directed downwards, stochastic is ready to leave the overbought zone and form a sell signal, however, the MACD histogram is shrinking in the negative zone. This week, the continuation of the decline looks more likely, but the breakout of 0.7324 doesn't exclude growth. Last week, gold quotes rose above 1812.50, which coincides with the Murray level 6/8, and may continue to rise to 1831 and 1843.75. The price consolidation below the level of 1812.50 allows the price to return to the middle line of Bollinger Bands around 1784. Technical indicators reflect growth. The MACD histogram has moved into the positive zone and stochastic reverses upwards. This week, the price growth seems more likely, but the breakdown of 1812.50 doesn't exclude a decrease. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.